In today's video, I'll teach you how to download invoice on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to download the invoice, first of all, you'll have to visit the purchase history interface. For that, hover over this option, My eBay, that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option purchase history that you can see at 5th. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your purchases interface. You'll be able to see all of your purchases over here. Right now I do not have any purchases, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is simply scroll through your purchases in order to find the specific order that you need. After you do that, click on the drop down menu of more actions. You'll be able to find the option for view order details over there. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you're on the order details page, what you have to do is look for a link to view invoice or a printer friendly page link. Once the printer-friendly version opens, what you have to do is simply use your browser's print command. Often the browser's print command is Ctrl+P or Command+P. After you do that, simply click on the option Save as PDF and your invoice will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to download the invoice. So that is how you download invoice on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.